Hello friends, I am Dr. Leena Mishram. Today we will talk about the endocrine system. Basically, endocrinology refers to study of various endocrine glands, tissues and the hormones released by the endocrine glands. The lecture objectives: what are hormones, what is endocrine system. A hormone is nothing but a chemical substance secreted by cell or group of cells called endocrine glands into the blood and which is transported to a distinctly located organ where it exerts its effect at even a very low concentration. A given hormone usually affects only a limited number of cells which are called as target cells. A target cell responds to a hormone because it bears receptors for that particular hormone. What is the difference between an exocrine and an endocrine gland? Basically, hormones are released only by the endocrine gland and not by the exocrine gland because exocrine glands have ducts and they carry their secretion to a localized region, whereas endocrine glands have no ducts to release their secretion. Hence, the endocrine glands are also called as ductless glands. These glands produce and secrete hormones which controls the body's metabolism, growth, sexual development and other functions. These glands release their hormone into the blood and are transported to the distinct part of the body. They act very specifically on certain organs and such organs are referred to as target organs. So, the endocrine system is nothing but the endocrine glands and the hormones secreted by the endocrine glands. Endocrine glands are ductless glands that secrete hormones. These glands are capable of synthesizing and releasing special chemical messengers called as hormones. Together with the nervous system acts as body's communication network. The endocrine system consists of following endocrine glands: pituitary gland, which is called as the master endocrine gland and regulates all other glands of the body: pineal gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, adrenal gland, which is again having adrenal cortex and adrenal medulla. The endocrine cells in other organs are pancreas, thymus, gonads, and hypothalamus. Each individual gland we will go into details in the later lectures. The function of endocrine system. The overall function of an endocrine system is to support the cell growth and the overall development of the body and coordination of the body. It also coordinates the development and the reproduction. It maintains internal homeostasis. Thank you.